Yo. I live. Hey, what's up, man? What's good, man?
Look, man, I don't want no trouble, man.
No, I'm just chilling, man. You doing all right?
I'm good, man. I just staying out the way, man. That's all, man.
Yeah, man. I just had to heard some news the other day, man. Somebody came by and shot up my homeboy's house. I was trying to see, you know, if you had anything or you knew anybody that had something to do with it.
No, I don't know what you. Oh no, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm
that
not
red
sure.
truck, man. I remember that red truck was out there. You sure you ain't?
Yes, I know who you are,
Okay.
but like I said, yeah, this is my red truck, man. But
So
not sure what's going on.
Just kind of strange, you know what I'm saying? So you sure you don't know anything
have
about
anything to do with that, man? I promise you, I don't have anything to do with that. You know.
Well,
I did let him use my truck. I do know where they was going.
That's right. Well, this is what I gotta say, man.
But I promise you,
you heard anybody?
If I seen you, I would have told
or you. You know what I'm saying? If you seen anybody, man, just tell them, man. I just. Fuck. Shit. Police. Shit. Oh. Fuck.
We're going the wrong way on University. Wrong way on University.
Record.
North on Tobic.
Go down
Taking
y'all,
left
bro.
on North Church.
Too low. Shit! Oh!
Northwest on North Church. Light traffic.
Oh! Oh, shit! Fucking phone. Oh. Shit. Got my fucking phone. Oh! Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! It's another one. Oh shit. Okay. Oh! Damn! Oh. Fuck, here they come. Fuck. Popping out of nowhere. Oh! Fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, they coming back! Damn.
Southbound on Pearl.
Oh, damn. just wrecked. Fuck, he just wrecked. Fuck, I think I lost him. Oh, I think I lost him. God.